So this guy, just a little guy. This looks to be like it was in a bedroom. What does my recap say? Oh, you guys read it. You guys know more about it than I do if you're on this page. But 40, the little 43 inches, they're always nice. You feel like you have a break in your day. Like, okay, you'll check. Okay, who's next? 43 inch. Oh, yes. Anything like 43 inch, 50 inch, 55 inch, even 65 inch feels like a little break in your day. You can just lift those up easy. It's when you have the 100 inches where you're like, oh man, okay, let's go do this one. And so this is easy peasy. Right into the studs, no big deal. They didn't need cord concealing because they, in this space, they didn't care to have it look absolutely perfect. And so it was just a quick in and out job. Great people. Uh, You know, I am fortunate to have great clients. I mean, I can't remember the last time I've had somebody that was rude or, made you feel unwelcome in their home or something like that. I think part of it is I'm pretty friendly when I arrive. And so it'd be hard to match like super friendly energy with negativity, really. And so that's part of it. And plus, I think when people just see, before a person books an appointment, they will have watched a couple of my videos or, whatever the case may be, saw a news article, that always helps. Then they're like, "Oh, I like this guy. He's in the news," and so stuff like that. Like I have this articles out now. When it coming up to the Super Bowl, I get a lot of Vikings clients, and so it's just a natural fit for people to go, for journalists to reach out and go, hey, I assume a lot of people are getting their TVs put up because there's Super Bowl sales on TVs. And I see that you do a lot of work for the Vikings. So this seems like a perfect article fit because NFL is having their big game. You got to call it the big game. You can't say Super Bowl because the NFL has that on lockdown. You cannot be infringing on their trademark. Um, but yeah, and so I get a good amount of press because of just having well-known clients, and so that's always pretty good. But you might have come to me through one of those. I don't know. Who knows? But see you guys.